Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to schedule a mail in Gmail. Friends, in Gmail, if you want your email to go on a particular date and time, then you simply need to schedule it. So to schedule your email, first you need to compose your mail. Click on compose. Now make an email. Now after composing your email, we normally click on the send button to send the email, but to schedule your email we need to click on this small arrow and here we will find the option to schedule email. Click on it. Now it will show some default options to send your email. You can select any of these, or to select a date or time other than this you need to click on pick date and time. Here you can select any date. After selecting date and time, click on schedule send. Now friends, your schedule email will go in schedule folder. Here you can find your email which is scheduled for 7th April, and you can make any required changes from here. So friends, like this you can very easily schedule a mail in Gmail. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.